How to change your gender to female on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your gender to female on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings and then go down again until you find this one, profile information. Click on it and go down and you will find here this one, basic info. Click edit, and here all you need to do is just one click on female, and as you see now your gender has been changed to female. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.